Isn't it pretty? So pretty.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so the train is taking forever. I don't have much more daylight left. It's been a very busy day. Most of the morning I spent working on the website blog to make it look more professional. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Really quick, the cucumbers are doing fantastic, except for this little one. I don't know what's wrong with him. I think too much shade as well. The butter crunch is doing phenomenal. We've been eating off of him. That's why he's little. And I think that one I'm gonna see what it does. If nothing, I'll just let him bolt. So I'll have seeds. Our Brussels sprouts are doing a beautiful. Look how gorgeous they look. And our celery, I don't have high hopes for their stalks. Cause look how tiny their little stalklets are. I'm really hoping they bulk up with age. Our blueberry is blueberrying, well, flower wise. Our onions are doing onion things. My lavender, it's beautiful. It's my first lavender plant out of like 4. And that's only because the old man planted it and I didn't. I don't have luck with flowers. I do with vegetables and such, but I do not with flowers. Flowers hate me. The broccoli, beautiful. Still haven't done anything. Him I'm a little worried about because that one has already went to seed. Well, it's starting to. We can't eat any of this because what I've read is once they start flowering, it turns bitter. The offshoots we can still eat, which we do. This I'm going to let seed because I want the seeds. This tastes so sweet. I don't like broccoli. I'm actually just growing a broccoli for my sister. But this one I'll eat. It tastes phenomenal. He's doing the same thing this one did. He's shooting up and getting super tall and wide, and it makes me worried because that's what happens when they're stressed out. Either too cold, too hot, too quick temperature changes. So it makes them bolt, which is what middleman here did. The tomatillo is doing tomatillo things. The pink brandy wine has gotten big since I stopped trying to get rid of the gnats. Poor little cherry tomato. There's not enough sun for him, but he's trucking along. Beefsteak, yellow pear, and look, I'm gonna actually have Cherokee purples this year. I'm excited. And then our romaine, I think I'm gonna start plucking the outer leaves. Maybe it'll perk up like the butter crunch did. We'll probably eat some of that this week. And some of our red cabbage is finally starting to do something. The bell pepper has a flower. It'll probably produce like a Barbie-sized bell pepper. They typically don't really do much the first year. Poblano, he needs more sun. That's the dog. She doesn't normally come over here, so she's exploring. The cilantro, we need to pick or it's gonna bolt. Oops, finger. The banana pepper, I really hope it takes off like these two did. And we let these go red because they're hotter. And my old man and I like hot food, so it needs to be red. And then the poor little bell pepper, he seems forgotten. And the aloe, he's doing better now that he's in a bigger pot. I think he was just starting to feel jealous everyone else had root space and he didn't. The strawberries, there's one. There is one that's green right here. See, it's a little green. So there's hope for at least one strawberry. My poor middle child. That's all he wants to grow is strawberries. They don't grow in a year. that's it. That's the recap of this week's garden. Links and all that hoo-ha's on the description below.